Yeah, what happened to that?
Okay, funny story time. And by that, I mean something extremely tragic and not funny at all. So I had several projects in the works on my computer, and then my computer exploded. Yeah, not really, but all the editing files I had, gone.
It's been over a year since I posted that video. Okay guys, update time. I'm back. I had left for a while because life got crazy. I've had 2 nieces and a nephew. I've also posted some music, and I've been working on some other things, but I'm getting back into it. I'm gonna start the tutorial videos up again. I'm hoping to do that more consistently, and hoping to give you guys some great content. But until that happens, I was looking through some old footage and I found this beautiful video, and so you guys get to enjoy it. Also, if I keep squinting, it's because the sun is right there and it's in my eyeballs, shining straight through, straight to them. Okay? It's bright outside.